In this question, they ask you a real part of this complex number, and then just a very short revision. I power of 1, I power of 2, I power of 3, I power of 4. This is just simply I, and then this is -1 based on definition, and then this is -I, and this is become +1 again. So every 4 times it's become 1 cycle, and then back to the original starting point. So I power 5 is equal to I again. I power 6 is equal to -1 again. It's form a cycle. Every 4 is a cycle. So whenever you find a really high power, then you just simply downgrade it to power of 1 to 4 to standardize our calculation. 4 plus I power 5 over A plus I, and then minus I power 6. Just simply change it. So this is minus plus I just now, and then this is I squared, downgrade it. So by -4 multiples. And then this is very typical. I don't want the denominator including I, so I have to multiply A minus I. Because I know that this will give us both square term in the denominator. So A squared minus I squared. And then I just focus on the denominator. We become A squared plus 1. So this is so-called rationalized, and then no imaginary part here. Then we can further separate it to the real part and imaginary part of this fraction. So this is for A minus 4I plus AI, and then minus I squared. So again, for A, -I squared, that means +1. So we write down +1 here. And then plus AI minus 4I. I try to isolate the I here so that I can separate it and then just focus on the real part. And then go back to this term, -I squared, that means +1. So if we're talking about the real part, this is real. And also this is real. While this is imaginary. So if we just focus on the real part, I'm too lazy, I don't want to handle the imaginary part. So real part is equal to 4A plus 1 over A squared plus 1, and then plus 1. And then we find that, oh, we don't have exactly the same, but these two are similar. So at least we know that it's not A, it's not B. Try to continue. A squared plus 1. Create the same denominator so that we can combine them afterward. So it's A squared plus 4A. 1 plus 1, we get 2. And then we find out the answer is D. This question, you can use the substitution method. If you know how to use calculator to handle the complex number, then you can just simply assign A as a value, let's say 2 or 3, and then you find out which option gives you the same answer.